Welcome to AgroSUS Weed Sampling Tutorial. The ideal time for weed sampling is at least once a month, depending on the crop. It is very important to evaluate and sample the weeds before weed control is carried out, because once the weeds have been removed, you will not be able to evaluate them. In each plot, visually evaluate the total percentage of weed coverage, then visually evaluate the percentage of monocot and dicot weeds separately. Identify the main weeds in the plot. Identify the family to which the weed belongs to and the weed species. Weed biomass measurement. Step 1. To avoid collecting all the weeds in a plot, mark a square of about 1 × 1 meters in each plot, or use a hoop, as in this case. Only take samples of the weeds present in this area. Step 2. Remove the weeds, taking care not to damage the roots. Step 3. Measure the fresh weight of the collected weeds. Also weigh the monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous weeds separately. Step 4. Measure aerial parts and root length separately for 5 to 10 weeds, representative of each weed species sampled, only for the most abundant species sampled. Step 5. Spread the collected weeds for drying and, when dry, measure the dry weight of the weeds.